Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri R.M. Jain Vidyashram Online Teaching Academy Ekalaiva. In today's maths class, I am going to teach you the chapter Numbers 21 to 100 Part 2. The topics that I am going to cover under this chapter are ascending and descending order, expanded form, abacus, ordinal numbers. Let us begin with the first topic, ascending order. Children, do you know what is ascending order? Yes. Ascending order means ordering or arranging the numbers from smallest to the biggest. Ordering or arranging the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. See, here I have given one example. See the numbers, how it is arranged from the smallest to the biggest. Let us check. Okay, see, is 3 is less than 12? Yes, 3 is less than 12. Is 12 is less than 26? Yes, 12 is less than 26. See, let's see, 26 is less than 42? Yes, 26 is less than 42. So, these numbers are arranged in ascending order. Now, I am going to show you one picture. See, what is this? What is there in this picture? Yes, apples. Whether all the apples are in same size? No, each apple are in different size, isn't it? But how they are arranged? See this picture, how it is arranged? From the smallest to the biggest. See the arrow, how it goes from the downwards to the upwards. It is arranged in the ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. Okay, now we are going to do the ascending order with numbers. Okay. Right from smallest to biggest, ascending order. See the A sum 24, 8, 12, 29. See, now we are going to arrange these numbers in ascending order. If the numbers are smaller, we can easily arrange it in the order. But if the number is little bigger, it will be little confusing to you. Okay, so that I am going to teach you 3 tricks. Okay, the trick number 1 is you have to check the digits in each number. How many digits are there? See the first number, how many digits it has? It has 2 digits, isn't it? Check the next number, it is a single digit number. 8, it is a single digit. Check the next number, it is a 2 digit number. And 29, it is also 2 digit number. Now it is clear that only one number is single digit. So it is the smallest among all the numbers. So I am going to write 8 as my first number. Okay, so 8, comma. Now we are going to compare these 3 numbers and find out which is smallest. Okay, see. Now my first trick does not work for these 3 numbers because all the 3 numbers are in 2 digit number. Okay, so I am going to use my second trick. My second trick is I am going to check the tens place value of the numbers. See here in the tens, this is ones place, this is tens place, isn't it? See in the tens place what number is there? 2. Here 12, what is the tens value? 1. In this, the tens value is 2. So, from this it is clear that the 12, it has the tens value 1. So, it is the smallest among these 3. So, I am going to write the 12 next to 8. Okay. Now I have arranged two numbers in order 8, 12. Okay. So now I am going to check this two numbers which is smallest in this. Okay. So now I have checked the tens value, both the tens value is 2 in this. So now I am going to check the ones value. Okay. My third trick is I am going to check the ones value of these two numbers. See the ones value of these two numbers. Here we have 24, the ones value is 4. Here we have 29, the ones value is 9. So which is smaller, 24 or 29? 24. So 24 will come here and at the last 29. Shall we check whether we have arranged in the ascending order? Let us check. 8 is less than 12, isn't it? Yes. 12 is less than 24. Yes. 24 is less than 29. Yes. So, we have arranged the numbers in the ascending order from the smallest to the biggest. So, 8, 12, 24, 29. Okay, this is the answer. See the next sum, 47, 29, 47, 29, 35, 17. We are going to arrange these numbers in the order. So, first I am going to check the digits. See, all the numbers are 2-digit numbers. So, I am going to use my second trick, that is I am going to check the tens value of the numbers. See, 4, 2, 3, 1, isn't it? So, now it is clear that 17 is smallest among these numbers. So, first I am going to write 17. Okay. Now, check this 3 numbers which is having the smallest tens value. See 29, here 2 is the tens value. So, 29 will come next to this. Okay, 29. See, now we are going to compare these two numbers 47 and 35. See the tens value, here we have 3, 3, 5, tens value is 3. For 47 the tens value is 4. So, 35 this is smaller. So, 35 and after this 47. Okay. See, now we have arranged the numbers in the ascending order. 17 is less than 29, 29 is less than 35 and the 35 is less than 47. Okay. So, this is ascending order. Have you clear with this? Shall we move on to the next topic? Okay. See, the next topic is descending order. Ordering or arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. In the ascending order, what we have seen from the smallest to the biggest. Descending order is the reverse to the ascending order. Here, ordering or arranging the numbers from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, see here this example 23, 18, 7, 5. See all these numbers how it is arranged from the bigger number to the smaller number, isn't it? See 23 is greater than 18. Yes. Is 18 is greater than 7? Yes, it is greater. Is 7 is greater than 5? Yes. So, all the numbers are arranged in the greatest, biggest to the smallest. Okay. Now, I am going to show you the picture. See this picture. What do you see in the picture? Yeah, it is a colorful toy, isn't it? See the sizes of the dolls. Whether it is same? No. the sizes, all these toys are in different sizes, isn't it? So, here the dolls are arranged in the descending order from the biggest to the smallest. Okay, see the arrow how it goes from upwards to downwards. So, the toys are arranged from the biggest to the smallest. This is descending order. Okay. Now, let us do the sums. Okay. Write from biggest to smallest descending order. See the first sum, A sum, 8, 27, 48, 25. Okay. Now, we are going to do the descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Okay. The same trick what I used for ascending order, that I am going to apply for this descending order also. Okay. First, I am going to check the digits of each number. See the digits. First one is a single digit number, 27, it is a 2 digit number, 48, 25, everything, these 3 numbers are 2 digit numbers. So, I want the biggest number in this. So, it is very clear that there is only one single digit number. So, this going to come at the last because this is the smallest number, because this is the smallest, isn't it? So, this going to come at the last. So, I am going to check these 3 numbers. Okay. Let us check the tens place value of this numbers. Okay. See the tens value of this number 27, 2. Check the tens value of this number 48, 4. Here 25, 2. So, which is the biggest tens place value? 4, 48. 4 is the biggest tens place value. So, 48 will come first. Okay. Check the next 2 numbers. This is the smallest we decided. So, leave this number. Now, we are going to check these 2 numbers 27 and 25. Okay. See the tens value, both the tens value are equal, isn't it? 2, 2. So, now we are going to use the third trick. What is that? We are going to check the ones value. Okay. See here the 27, the ones value is 7. In the 25, the ones value is 5. So, which is biggest, 27 or 25? 27. So, I am going to write 27 next to 48. See the next biggest is 25 and the last is 8. Okay. So, the order is 48, 27, 25, 8. See the next sum, 82, 75, 91, 100. Okay. First, we are going to check the digits. See, these 3 numbers are 2 digit numbers and the last numbers, check that number, it is a 3 digit number, 100. So, it is very clear that it is the biggest number among these numbers. So, I am going to write the 100 first. Okay. See, now we check the tens value of these numbers. Okay. Check the tens values. Here we have 9 for 91. Here we have 7 for 75 in tens value. Here in the tens value we have 8. So, which is biggest? 9, 8, 7. 9 is the biggest. So, 91 will come first. Next to 9, which is biggest? 8. So, 82 will come next to 91, at the last 75. Okay, clear? Okay, this is descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest. Shall we move on to the next topic? See the order 100, 91, 82, 75. Okay. Next topic, expanded form. Expanded form is nothing but a way to write the numbers by showing the value of each digit. A way to write the numbers by showing the value of each digit. Okay. Here the number will be given to you. Okay. 35 is the number here. We going to expand this numbers. How we are going to expand? We are going to separate the tens and ones. We are going to write the tens and ones value separately. Okay. Here we are going to use the plus sign also. Okay. See 35. Check the tens value. How many tens are there in this 35? 3 tens. So 3 tens plus how many ones are there? See, check the ones value 5. 5 ones. Okay. So 3 tens makes 30 and 5 ones makes 5. So 30 plus 5. This is the expanded form of 35. The 30 plus 5 is known as the expanded form of 35. Okay. Let's do some sum in this. Okay. See, write in the expanded form. See the first number 51. See in 51, check the tens value. How many tens are there? 5 tens, isn't it? So, how many tens are there? 5 tens. See 5 tens. See how many ones are there? Only 1 1. Okay. So, 1 1. So, now what we are going to do? We are going to write it in the expanded form. 5 tens makes 50. 5 tens makes. If we add 5 tens, what we will get? 50. 50. See the next one. Ones. How many ones you have? Only 1. So 50 plus 1. The expanded form of 51 is 50 plus 1. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form 50 plus 1. Okay. We just going to check how many tens and ones are there. Okay. See 5 tens are there. So 5 tens. Check the ones. How many ones are there? Only 1 1. So 1 1. Okay. So 50 plus 1. See the next B sum 97. Check how many tens are there? 9 tens. 9 tens makes 90. 9 tens makes 90. 9 tens makes 90. Check the ones. How many ones are there? 7 ones. So 7 ones makes 7. So the expanded form for 97 is 90 plus 7. See sum 40. 40 equal to, see the tens value 4. So 4 tens. 4 tens makes 40 and 0. So 40 plus 0. Okay. Have you all clear with this? Okay. With this we can end. Okay. I hope that you all have understood these topics. Thank you so much, children.